Hi everyone! Today I'm going to talk to you about the smartest purchases that I did in my 20s so far. We'll also talk about how they helped me and why they were good purchases. Maybe they're going to inspire you to add something new to the list of good purchases in 2018. The first smart purchase that I did in my 20s so far is investing in redecorating our living room. A few months ago we moved in this new flat that we absolutely love. The thing is that the entire flat was already furnished. Furniture looked great in every single room besides the living room. It looked like something from 80s. Well, we weren't feeling comfy at all spending time in there, so we spent all the time in this small room, which is our office. So what we did was to have a think about what we want and what would make us feel happier in this new place of ours. We invested in a TV first because we absolutely love watching movies and this would make us feel happier and feel better in this new place. After that, we decided that we need a TV stand because we didn't have a place to put our TV on. So yeah, the next thing was a TV stand that has some storage space in it because also we need that. We bought some shelves where we can put our books and some things for decoration, and then we decided to change the old couch that looked like a bathtub. The couch that we bought wasn't new, it was second-hand, but still it looked amazing, it looked like new. And we got to £200 with redecorating the entire living room. It looks amazing now and all we want is to spend time in there. We can't wait to come home from work and stay there in the living room because we are loving it so much. So basically what I'm saying is that it's really good to invest in your own well-being and to invest in the environment that you're living in. It is absolutely lovely to come after a long day at work, to come home and to actually feel like home and to enjoy the place that you're living in. The next good purchase is a car. This is quite a big purchase for us. But let me tell you another short story. When we bought our first ticket to go to Barcelona, this was our first trip together. It was absolutely amazing and we fell in love with traveling. So we decided that we want to travel more in UK as well because we felt like we don't have freedom of movement, let's say it like this. We can't go anywhere, we can't visit new places, it's quite hard to take the train all the time, so we were thinking that for us a car would be a smart purchase. Even if I need to be honest with you, having a car can be quite expensive. If you are just like us and you enjoy traveling and going out every single weekend and every single moment you have off from work to visit a new place, then definitely having a car is a good purchase and it can be just a blessing. The next good purchase for me was to buy a good mattress. Nothing compares to a good night's sleep, right? Why this is a good purchase, I think, for every single person? Well, 2 years ago we just bought a mattress that is memory foam. It was from Argos, it was like £150 and we were like, yeah, I think it's a good enough mattress for a few years, but let me tell you the truth, in a few months the whole memory foam disappeared and we were just sleeping on the bed itself. It wasn't comfortable at all. Our back started to ache and it was such a bad pain, so I don't wish anyone anything like that. So when you're investing in something, invest in something good, especially when it's a mattress, because you're going to have it for a few years and it's going to offer you such a good night's sleep and it's going to make a huge difference. Now we bought a new mattress which is very nice. It has proper springs. It is from Silent Night. I'm gonna link it down below if you want to check it out. It is amazing. Like, our back is not hurting anymore and it's just lovely to have a good night's sleep. The next good investment: filming gear, laptop and a good phone. Buying a laptop was a very good investment for me in the first place because I needed it for university anyways, but then having this gear, like this camera, we have 2 cameras, 2 Canons, the microphones, everything, the tripods, they were good investments because We absolutely love filming every single thing, every single place that we're visiting, and then it actually gives me the opportunity to do this. So I absolutely love it. I absolutely love having a good phone because I am sometimes filming just with my phone as well. Maybe I don't even have a tripod with me, so I just like to have a good phone, just take it out of my pocket and film whatever is around me because I absolutely love it, and therefore I think that these are good, very good purchases for me. So in conclusion, if you are into video and taking pictures and I don't know, you're into technology, investing in good gear, it's a really smart and good investment in the future as well, because you will have them for a few years. The next good investment is very good outwear for hikings. We absolutely love going out to travel, but we love to go on hikes every single time we get the chance to do so. I love hiking, and every time it's not raining outside, we are out and we are looking for a new adventure and we are on a new hike somewhere on a new peak or mountain. So we absolutely love this, and investing in good outwear, it's a very important part of this process. Having nice boots and having a really good jacket makes a huge difference, especially when it's windy. Yeah, it makes you feel more comfortable. So all our hikes are more cozier and pleasant right now after investing in good outwear. The next good investment is to invest in good pots and pans. I like to be smart and organized when it comes to spending my money on new things. I don't want to spend them on things that I don't actually need, because we like eating healthier and more nutritious food. We like to cook most of the time the food that we eat at home, so there's no brainer that we needed good pots and pans to do all this cooking at home. So this is a great investment because the food is tastier, you won't use so much oil when you're cooking, and yeah, it's a good asset because this will last you forever. Well, not forever, but for a few years definitely. The next good purchase of my 20s is investing in the gym. Is there any other good way to invest your money than your health? Well, I don't think so. It's really good investing in your health, in your well-being. So for me, it's the gym right now, but I'm interested in going and taking some dance classes that I think is going to be amazing. So yeah, you can also go to the gym, or you can take dance classes, or you can do whatever activity you like. Just move as much as you can, and being physically active is extremely important for a good mentality and for a good overall well-being. And I'm going to tell you a small little secret. If you're going to the gym on a Monday morning, that works for me really well. I feel like the week is gonna pass by so much quicker. It's always a good thing. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the smartest purchases of my 20s so far. I hope you found this video useful and is going to inspire you to make some good purchases in this new year. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Leave me a comment down below because I just love to hear from you and talk to you and get to know you better. See you next time. Bye!